girls naman, girls. Ito si ate. Ate, what's your name? Happy birthday, Adrian. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, K3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Magaling si Colette. Palapakay naman si Colette. 34. O, boys ulit, boys. So, kailangan matayo. Kaya ko sabihin. 34. Kaya 35. Okay, inhale. O, 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, K3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120 Palapakan natin si Kuya, 25. O, girls ulit, girls. Ito si Cinderella ba ito? Si Cinderella. One, two, three, go!
Happy birthday, teacher!
Ilan? 11. Pero magaling pa rin si Cinderella. O, boys ulit, boys. Ito si Mickey Mouse. Ilang sa? Okay. 35. Tapos, ilang ka? 25. O, 34. 1, 2, 3, go! Ilang kayo? 29! Palapakan natin, leading sa boys si Kuya, 29. O, girls ulit. Ito si Minnie Mouse. Pili mo? Daraw. 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20! O, di ba? Magaling. O, boys ulit. Boys. Ito, next. Ito, last. Happy birthday, Adrian. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, teacher! 13 pala.
Ilan? 13. Magaling. Palapakan naman natin. Ayan. Sino pa sa last girl? Sino hindi pa? Oh, Vanessa. Okay, happy birthday, Nikhil. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, teacher!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Magaling si Vanessa. Palapakan si Vanessa. Pinakalas si... Asa na si... Wala pang pants to? Walang pants? Wala pang naman natin. Oh, may pants. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you. Pakinggan mo si Kuya. Yay! Wala pa kayo! Yay! O, gusto pa? Oh. Okay. Ang galing naman ni Kuya. Palapakan natin. Tapos na. Ito, walang pants? Nasaan ang pants mo? Walang pants? Ayun, may pants.
Happy birthday!
1, 2, 3, Sino winner? Ang winner sa girls ay yung 34. Sa boys yung 29. Sino yung 29 sa boys? Sino yung 34? Ayan. Palapanan